What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can change your address on your Clearstore. Well, the process of changing the address on Clearstore is pretty simple. In order to do that, you need to follow these simple instructions. First things first, you need to go to your Clearstore and then log into your account. To log in, you just have to enter your email address and password. After that, you just have to, log in. After logging in, this is what you'll be able to see the home page. In the home page, you just have to click on My Account. After clicking on My Account, you'll be able to see different options. Under the My Account sections, you'll be able to see Your Details, Account, and Security. You just have to click on Your Details and click on View. Once you do that in Your Details, it will give you all the details like your name, your username, your password, and all the things, which will also include your address as well. However, right next to edit, you will see a pencil icon to edit your address. You just have to click on that, and there you go. You'll easily be able to add a new address. Now, adding a new address is pretty simple. Just add a new address, and that's how you'll be able to edit address for this store. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.